Your cells are dividing right this very second, and you can't stop them. You're leaving a bunch of skin everywhere you go. Leaving a bunch of skin everywhere you go. Your organs can smell toxins. Your stomach lining expires and regenerates itself every 2 weeks. Good and bad bacteria are fighting it out in your guts. The hypnagogic jerk is gonna get you. The hypnagogic jerk is gonna get you. You swallow a lot of mucus. You swallow a lot of mucus. Your mouth is literally brimming with saliva at all times. Your mouth literally brimming with saliva at all times. You don't need to be ashamed of those intrusive thoughts. Sebum is pouring out of your face. Sebum is pouring out of your face. Urine is constantly brewing in your body.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.